Hey everybody, we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and the Winterfest has just started. We just left the chili cook-off, and now it's officially Winterfest time. So there's a cool photo op right there behind us with the snowmen people there, and a great sign of Gatlinburg. So we're just going to walk up and down the Gatlinburg street, show you some lights, and see what there is, maybe new, maybe old, and just walk through the strip. We haven't done this in a couple months now.
No, it's been a while.
You ready to walk the strip, Steph?
I'm so ready.
Let's go. One of our first snowmen people we came across. He's got a little smaller with him there. Ready to throw the snowballs at us. That's so cool. Look at that. Flapjack's Pancake Cabin. Been here forever. And they got the little pancake snowman out front. There's always a joke or a rumor going around town, right? Stuff that I eat my pancakes from the center.
You do?
Look at that. I always love to see the snowmen eating the pancakes, eating good. And there's the Hampton Inn across the street, which is still going through a full renovation, but they're renovating that from top to bottom. That's gonna be really nice when it's 100% done, but it looks really good now, all the changes they've done on the outside. I'll have to stay there soon when we stuff.
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be done this year, but all times we've checked, there's really no date for it. But it's coming along really nicely. Found a few more snowmen people, and this doubles as a bench to sit on as well. So two pals hanging out there. And then right over here is one of our favorite restaurants, which is the Best Italian. It's straight down there. Absolutely love that place. Where's your face at there, sir? Coming up on the famous Howard's restaurant there. We still haven't done a video at Howard's yet. We need to at some point. But everybody raves about the burgers here and so many good options on the menu here. We'll definitely have to come here in the future and film a full video on it. There's a look over at Ober Mountain. It used to be over Gatlinburg, and they've now changed it to Ober Mountain. And there is Cherokee Grill, one of our favorite places to eat up here. Love the steaks, always great service there. Just always great place to eat. Got the little flames out there and a little fish out front as well. Here's a look at the sign for Ober Mountain. They got a nice little photo op out front here. And the Alpine slide is still around. This is something that I was on growing up, was the Alpine slide. Back at Ober Gatlinburg. That's pretty cool. It is closed right now, but there's a snowman inside. You can see waving at us right there. And here's two snowmen building a snow bear. Absolutely love that. And here's a closer look at the Hampton Inn. We're on the other side of the street now. I got a fire pit out here. Can't remember if they had that before or not, but they've done a really great job here on the renovations of this Hampton Inn. We are waiting for it to be 100% completed, and then we'll try to stay here and show you what the rooms look like. But such a great location. You come out your hotel right here, also the lights and the Space Needle there and everything. And also it's right on the creek as well. So you can still see some of the construction stuff there, but it looks like they're pretty close, I would think. Some of the rooms are kind of closed off, you can see there, but I would say probably not too much longer. Old-time portraits. It's just a nice night to walk through Gatlinburg. We have found Stephanie's snowman here, the book snowman.
That's right.
That's pretty cool. Got the big stack of books there, reading one. Oh, it's even like you, the feet don't touch the ground, Steph.
That's rude.
That's funny, just like you.
There's the Space Needle. These lights are so beautiful. The Circus Golf and Amazing Mirror Maze. Jeremy and I did that many years ago. So, the YouTube family, your belt bag there?
Yeah, my full belt bag. Look at that, we're filming a little retro style footage tonight. 23-year-old camera to be exact. So, going old school.
And what are we singing down here?
Smith and Son, Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. There's Chad the T-Rex over there in the moving theater at Ripley's. And then you got the Space Needle. Absolutely love that thing. Seeing it, don't ever want to go up on top of it, but I love seeing it. And there's the Space Needle Arcade down there, which has sliced pizza, which is fantastic pizza. Huge slices, super greasy, but man, it's just fantastic. And then straight ahead was the chili cook-off. That's what we did tonight. So we'll put the chili cook-off video in the description below. But that was just straight ahead right up there on the right-hand side where the convention center is. And the Crazy Mason. You want a crazy looking milkshake? That's your spot right there. Our next snowman is right here in front of the Baskin Robbins. 31 flavors. If you didn't know, inside the BR in the middle is a 31 for 31 flavors of Baskin Robbins. And that's where he's been inside of. Got him some Baskin Robbins. Only a couple of flavors. He didn't get all 31, but still looks pretty good. Right out front of the new building is our next snowman person. He's ready to go for a hike right there. Looks like he's going to be going to Mount LeConte, going to the top of it. There's been some mixed reviews on this building here for the Sky Park, but I like the building. It looks pretty cool. The historic Gatlinburg Inn. And you see the trail lifts back up, going up the hill back up there behind it. Christmas tree at the very top of the hill there. And we know we mentioned it before on the channel, but that's where Rocky Top was written at in room 388 of the Gatlinburg Inn. And they're building up right here. This is where the fire sadly happened at. But they're making some great progress on the new building here. And then there's the winery and the candy store across the street. And right there next to Old Smoky, some cool snowman lights right there as well. Earthquake the ride. This was always a fun ride up here. Very cheesy. I wish they had Earthquake the ride back at Universal Studios. That was always fantastic. And there's our next snowman right there. Got a little quilt there. Looking great. Yeah, I wish Earthquake would be back at Universal. That'd be so cool to get back on that ride back in the days. There is Brent. Oh wait, no, that's not Brent. There's Brent.
It's like I'm looking in a mirror.
That's the Treasure Quest golf. Stephanie and I did this golf like, oh man, probably 10 or 15 years ago. It's been a long time since we've done this. There's Jason Aldean's and the Sun Diner there. I have both these in Nashville. We haven't been to the ones here. And these are just opened up not too long ago. Rooftop seating as well. There's the American flag. Love how they keep those year round. Kilwin's one of our favorite fudge places. Thank you, Jennifer. And then Caramel Corn as well. Caramel Corn place is always fantastic. Kilwin's, we absolutely love their fudge. There's one in Franklin, Tennessee that we go to a lot. And then one out there in Destin we've been to several times as well. So a lot of locations for Kilwin's. And just everything there is always fantastic. You see the caramel apples up here in the window. They got some strawberries and some different things here as well. Heading into the village, and we absolutely love this area out here. There's the pancake pantry out front, all the Christmas lights throughout here. My favorite coffee shops back here in the back. There's all the beautiful trees all lit up through here. We have the candy canes coming up. And a little photo op right there. Look at all these candy canes back here. Our next few snowmen, one got the little lollipop sucker there. Those are pretty cool with the little backdrop there, the Christmas lights behind them. And then the candy store is right here behind us. That's the old Smoky Candy Kitchen. And then more of the lights up here, more candy canes. They do such a great job back here. And the fountain, I can't see yet if the fire is lit. We've never been able to catch the fire on the fountain. It is not lit tonight. This little village back here though, so beautiful. Got the reindeer and the snowman right there. There's a great photo op right there for the village, the trees. I love those trees, those huge stars back there on it. There, they get there for their photo op. Ho ho ho! Great photo right there. Just look at this back here. You got the kind of balcony up there, kind of lined up with Christmas lights, and then there's the fountain we love back there as well. Some more trees lit up back here, and then Coffee and Company closed at 8 o'clock tonight. It's open on 9 o'clock on Friday and 10 o'clock on Saturday. There's most of the time up here on Saturdays. It is a Thursday right now, so missed some of my favorite coffee shops, but at least we're getting a good view of the fountain back here. Crowd levels are low, and the Christmas lights are up, so it's a great night for sure. We have all the little shops decorated up for Christmas, garland and trees out front. This whole little walkthrough is just beautiful through here. And the honey pot over here, it's got some snowmen out front and some little trees as well. They really do Christmas well back here, that's for sure. A candy cane flag there, and I just love that. All the windows and doors and everything. Now we're back up here to the front again. Back to the snowman and the trees up here. Our next snowman sitting right here next to the American flag. Looks really cool. He's got a gift right there ready to give to somebody. How you doing? How you doing? And we're walking right past Sun Diner now. The earthquake's over on the right hand side right there. Cool little gift store over here. Traffic's not too bad tonight either. It's about being close to 9 o'clock now, I guess. The traffic's not too bad either. Fanny Farkles, if you could smell right now, you would be in agreement. So this is one of the best things up here in the area. And they are, and the grilled onions and the dogs and the sausages.
Yeah.
It smells fantastic. And then the Oval dogs are normally over here. We'll see if they have any of them out right now. Not sure if they do. And there's the Oval dogs right there. We are in the Reagan Terrace area now. There's a lot of snowman people here. Snowman people there. Snowman people there on the bench. Everybody over here has jokes. It's been a great night hanging out with every day is Saturday. A lot of funny jokes. Another snowman person right there on the snowboard. And then cool one right there. And then we go all the way up here. There's a putt-putt one up here at the top of these stairs. There's a mermaid right there. Let's go up these stairs real quick. Up here where the miniature golf is, bumper cars, and laser tag. Or the putt-putt one. The fudge place is closed for the night. A couple of little shops starting to close down, but oh, another snowman person right here. It's like a little nurse. I like that one quite a bit. Outside the old Smoky Candy Kitchen at the little rocking horse out there. 45 days to Christmas with the countdown. Oh, it's really cool out here. All the candies in the window. Got a snowman person up here. But they're baking some cookies. So better look at the snowman people that we saw the first of this video on the side of the building there. There's a winery right there. I gotta look at the Sky Park over there as well. One last snowman person to close out the video.